Hello and welcome back to another How to Bloke. Now today's episode is the fact that we've got for tonight for supper, we've got some hamburgers going on. Now, have a look in here, camera person, look. We've got hamburgers with some onion relish, right? I'll leave a link in the description and in your window. Now the problem today is that I've done a potato salad here, right? This is the makings of a potato salad, but we need some mayonnaise. Now, I haven't got any mayonnaise. I checked, I haven't got any mayonnaise, right? So we've got a bit of a problem. So we've got to make our own mayonnaise. Now, today I'm going to make, I'm going to make it. My son is going to make it, right? So it will teach you how to make homemade mayonnaise, right? So, see you soon.
So, hello, I'm How to Bloke 2.0, and so right now the contents in a bowl is 1 egg yolk, so we separated it from the egg whites. Now we need to actually add a teaspoon of vinegar to the actual mixture to make the mayonnaise.
Can you add any vinegar in it?
Yeah. There you go. Now you add a little bit of salt. Oh, that's good, I guess. And a little pepper.
You can always adjust it later, can't you?
Yeah.
Right. And then the magic ingredient?
Oil. So what you need to do is you need to whisk a tiny bit, so pour the oil a tiny bit, and at the same time you whisk the egg mixture. Like this. As you can see, it's starting to get kind of a consistency of a mayonnaise.
Already?
Yeah. So I keep stirring and adding gently the oil to the mixture.
Yeah, it's already thickening. Obviously, if you want more, you just double the ingredients.
Yeah. But right now, we're kind of on the diet, and this enough mayonnaise should be good.
Just for that potato salad.
Yeah. My arm's starting to tire out.
We'll leave the link in the recipe in the description box.
As you can see here, the oil kind of looks like mayonnaise. Let me just stop for a second. I'll just show the camera. It kind of looks like mayonnaise already, you know. Okay. So I'll just mix it a little bit more. Obviously, you have less movement. As you can see here, this kind of literally looks like mayonnaise already. As you can see here.
Yeah, cool.
So I'll just continue adding the oil in whilst I stir, because obviously I haven't finished with the oil.
Amazing science, isn't it?
Yeah. That's also a really good workout if you need a really good workout, you know, just...
To make up for the calories.
Yeah. Oh my days, it's very intensive. Very good arm workout. I highly recommend it.
Do you want me to put something underneath to stop the bowl rolling?
Nah, I'm good. I just pour the oil and start stirring like this. No accelerated, no cool motion effects. So we're going to gently pour a little bit more of the oil in, stir a bit more.
If you have a food processor, you could do it like in a food processor.
Yeah, I mean it's just like,
so just put it in the middle.
you can just, food processor would do the mixing part and you just have to add the oil gently.
But then you don't get the workout.
Yeah, so it's not very beneficial. There you go, that's the end of the oil, no more. And I'm just going to continue whisking till the consistency is right, like I showed you previously. Yeah, it took like what, less than 5 minutes or so?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Yeah. that's basically it. That's mayonnaise there for you. Now for seasoning wise, I recommend you get a tablespoon.
Yeah.
A tablespoon, and just add the vinegar.
That's it, yeah.
There you go. Add it in, and then just whisk in like we did it previously. This makes the mayonnaise a little bit whiter, as you can see here, which makes it more realistic. Mayonnaise.
Tiny as well.
Yeah.
You could add things like garlic, Dijon mustard, isn't it?
Yeah, but we want to keep it simple.
Yeah, for the potato salad.
Yeah, because the potato salad always has tons of flavour in it.
Taste it. Let's taste it.
Have a taste, because I'm kind of.
Get a little teaspoon. I don't want to put my fingers in it.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
There you go.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Needs a little bit more salt though.
A little more salt? Okay. See, it's very important to taste what you present.
Even being teaspoon now.
There you go. Let's incorporate it again.
It's really good actually.
And obviously, the bigger you need, the more mayonnaise you need, the more you double a recipe.
Yeah, obviously.
So we just used one egg and like 150 mils of oil.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, there you have it. Really good homemade mayonnaise. So when you have no ingredients or no mayonnaise, or one egg and 150 mils of oil, that's all you need practically. Don't even need the vinegar if you don't need to. But
You
yeah.
put lemon juice in it.
Yeah, lemon juice too, and onion bits, onions, and all sorts of things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know how he does it at the end, but I think there's quick tips up here. More DIY jobbies down here, and if you want to subscribe, it's right here. So
Something like that.
something like that. Bye bye.